Come test drive the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, power windows, power door locks, daytime running lights, alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.